Debt is one of the biggest financial obstacles many Americans face today. Whether it's credit cards, student loans, car loans, or personal loans, debt can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to. With the right strategy, consistent action, and understanding of your finances, you can pay off debt faster than you ever thought possible, without sacrificing your lifestyle or long-term financial goals. Today, we'll break down step-by-step strategies, practical tips, and real-world examples that can help you regain control of your finances and accelerate your journey to debt freedom. 1. Understanding your debt. Before you can tackle debt, it's essential to fully understand what you owe, how much it costs, and how it affects your financial future. Ignoring your debt, or only partially understanding it, is one of the most common mistakes people make. Steps to fully understand your debt. 1. List all debts. Include credit cards, personal loans, student loans, auto loans, payday loans, medical bills, and any other obligations. Include both the balance and interest rate for each debt. Seeing everything on paper creates a clear picture and reduces anxiety. 2. Note interest rates. High-interest debt costs exponentially more over time. For example, a $5,000 credit card debt at 24% interest can cost thousands if only minimum payments are made. 3. No minimum payments. Minimum payments are legally required but rarely enough to make serious progress. Paying only the minimum can keep you in debt for years or even decades. 4. Calculate total debt. Add up all balances to see your full financial obligation. This total creates urgency and helps prioritize your repayment strategy. Tip: use tools like Mint, YNAB, Personal Capital, or even a simple Excel/Google sheet to track your debts, interest rates, and progress over time. Extra tip: color code your debts. High interest in red, low interest in green to visualize where to focus first. 2. Debt payment strategies. There are 2 highly effective methods to pay off debt faster. Each has its benefits depending on your financial mindset and motivation style. A. Avalanche method. Pay high interest first. Focus on the debt with the highest interest rate first. Continue making minimum payments on all other debts. Once the highest interest debt is paid off, move to the next highest. Example table. Debt, balance, interest rate, monthly payment. Credit card A, $3,000, 24% $150. Credit card B, $5,000, 18%, $200, student loan. $10,000, 6%, $150. Extra payments go toward credit card A first. This saves the most money on interest over time. Why it works: minimizes the total interest paid, shortens repayment timelines for large, expensive debts. B. Snowball method. Pay small balances first. Focus on the smallest balance first to gain psychological momentum. Keep paying minimums on larger debts. Once the smallest debt is gone, move to the next. Why it works: achieves small wins early, keeping motivation high. Momentum encourages consistent repayment. Tip: many Americans combine both methods. Start with a small balance for motivation, snowball. Then switch to avalanche for maximum savings. 3. Reduce interest costs. Even small adjustments to interest rates can save thousands over time. 1. Balance transfers. Move high-interest credit card debt to a card with 0% introductory APR. Pay off the balance before the promotional period ends. Example: transfer $5,000 at 24% interest to 0%, APR for 12 months. Save $600 plus in interest. 2. Refinancing loans. Auto loans or personal loans can often be refinanced at a lower rate. Even a 2% drop in interest can save thousands over the life of the loan. 3. Negotiate with lenders. Call your credit card company or lender to request a lower interest rate. Many lenders say yes if you have a good payment history. 4. Avoid new high-interest debt. Don't open new credit cards or take new loans while paying off existing debt. Each new loan adds stress, risk, and interest costs. 4. Automate and track payments. Consistency is everything. Automation prevents missed payments and keeps progress steady. Set up automatic minimum payments to avoid late fees. Schedule extra payments toward your priority debts. Track your progress weekly or monthly. Watching balances shrink is motivating. Example: paying an extra $200 per month on a $5,000 debt at 18% interest. Saves over $500 in interest and shortens repayment by several months. Extra tip: visual trackers, charts, or even sticky notes on your desk help maintain focus and motivation. 5. Create a realistic budget. Budgeting is freedom, not restriction. Proper budgeting allows you to allocate more money toward debt without feeling deprived. Steps to budget effectively. 1. Track every dollar. Know where every dollar goes. 2. Cut unnecessary expenses, subscription services, dining out, and impulse purchases. 3. Allocate extra cash to debt. Even $50 to $100 extra per month compounds significantly over time. 4. Maintain an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses prevent unexpected events from creating new debt. Tip: treat budgeting like a game. Every extra dollar toward debt is a win. 6. Increase income to accelerate debt payoff. Sometimes cutting expenses isn't enough. Increasing income dramatically accelerates repayment. Ideas for extra income: part-time jobs or side hustles, freelancing, writing, graphic design, tutoring, selling unused items or assets, monetizing skills, teaching, consulting, coaching. Example: earning an extra $300 per month and applying it to debt can cut repayment time by 6 to 12 months depending on the debt size. 7. Stay motivated. Debt repayment is a marathon, not a sprint. Staying motivated is critical. Celebrate milestones, pay off a small debt, or reach a % of total debt paid. Visualize progress, charts, apps, or sticky notes. Focus on freedom. Imagine life without debt. The stress reduction, opportunities, and security. Motivation plus consistency plus strategy equals faster debt freedom. 8. Long-term financial benefits. Paying off debt faster isn't just about being debt-free, it's transformative for your financial future. 1. Higher credit score, better interest rates on future loans and mortgages. 2. More savings for investments, start building wealth earlier. 3. Less financial stress, mental freedom, better focus, and smarter decisions. 4. Flexibility in life choices, career changes, relocation, entrepreneurship. Every dollar paid toward debt today works for your financial freedom tomorrow. 9th step-by-step action plan. List all debts, balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. 1. Choose repayment strategy: avalanche, snowball, or combination. 2. Automate minimum payments and schedule extra payments toward priority debts. 3. Reduce interest costs via balance transfers or refinancing. 4. Create a disciplined, realistic budget. 5. Increase income through side hustles or freelance work. 6. Track progress weekly and celebrate milestones. Remember, consistency and focus are more powerful than any quick fix. 10. Key takeaways. Debt is manageable with strategy and focus. Small, consistent extra payments save thousands of dollars in years of repayment. Combining budgeting, automation, and additional income accelerates results. Each debt-free dollar is a step toward long-term wealth and financial freedom. Final thought. You can pay off debt faster than you think if you take control, plan strategically, and stay disciplined. Your financial freedom starts today. Don't wait. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to The Mortgage Trap for more eye-opening insights on credit, debt, and financial freedom. Your support will help this channel grow and reach more people ready to take control of their finances. Leave a comment below and share your own debt payoff goals. I'll read them all. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and click the bell icon to catch the next upload. Here we'll explain how using credit can quietly raise or lower your credit score. Remember, financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a plan. See you in the next video.